Welcome to Saenz Performance HDAY Fall 2019, right here in Maryland International Raceway. This is the third event of the 2019 season, and as you guys can see, it is jam-packed. This is an amazing event for all the Honda and Acura enthusiasts and the largest in the world.
They love it when I turn up the bass.
So one lucky winner here at HDAY will get the chance to win the Project HDAY giveaway car. You just have to be over the age of 18 and be present during the calling. We will have 10 contestants that'll get the chance to sit in the car, and the winner that turns the car on will take home the Project HDAY giveaway car.
Turn off the bass.